Hi, in this video I'm going to explain how to use vScription VR with a wireless microphone to dictate into your EHR practice management software. For this video, we're going to be using Arya as our EHR. Before we start, we're going to assume that you have already installed, logged in, and configured the extension and your wireless microphone. If you haven't, you can see our other video tutorials on getting that done. As mentioned in a previous video, when the extension is loaded, you will get a gold border when you select a field. This indicates that the extension is focused on that field, and that is where we're going to put the recognized text as you dictate. I'm going to get right to it and start dictating. I'm going to select the first field and start dictating. The patient is a 41-year-old man who comes to my office complaining of pain in his left shoulder pad. The patient has a history of shoulder problems, including a rotator cuff surgery approximately 12 years ago period. You may notice that I pressed stop on the wireless microphone when I was done dictating in the first field. This is important as when you start recording, the extension flags which field you've selected to make sure the text goes into the proper field. It will remain focused on that field until you press stop. Remember that since this is a cloud-based service, there is a bit of latency when starting to record and waiting for the recognized text to come back completely. If you want to go back and insert some text, all you need to do is click on the position where you want to insert your text and dictate your additions. Severe radiating. If you want to replace text, you will need to delete the text first by highlighting the word or words, pressing delete on your keyboard, and then dictating the changes. "5 years ago." The last thing I'm going to do is, let's say I have a standard follow-up plan for a shoulder. I'm going to insert a shortcut I've created into the AP field. First, I'll tap on the checkbox in my wireless microphone to bring up my shortcuts pop-up. Then I'll click in the field where I want to insert my shortcut and choose the shoulder plan in the shortcut pop-up. So that covers the basic vScription VR usage. We will be posting more vScription VR videos in the near future, so stay tuned.